Okay, so the final question. So this is really similar to 5, except it has one difference. I'm just going to go over this really quickly because if you know how to do 5, you know how to do 6. And if you have any questions, just ask me again. So, yeah, x squared minus 4 is just a difference of squares. So x minus 2, x plus 2. So these are our x-intercepts for the function inside the square root. So -2 and 2, just like the last question, it's going to look like a parabola going through our x-intercepts, right? But there's some important things to note here that weren't on 5. First, the number inside the square root cannot be negative, right? Just like last time, that's an imaginary root. That just doesn't exist for our function. And second, it can't equal 0 either, because if the denominator of any fraction can't be 0. So some important things to note about this function is just that uh, x cannot equal uh, 0 and x cannot equal um, anything lesser than 0. So yeah, basically, just like last time, we need to find out where in this function, this kind of mini function here, or basically here, where is x equal to or lesser than 0. And as you can see by the graph, it is less than 0 or equal to 0 between points -2 and 2. So that means the domain exists, the function exists on every point uh, from -2 to -infinity from 2 to infinity. I'm just going to quickly plot this out on Desmos just to show you guys. So we're going to do 3 slash, and then I'm just going to look over the function. Yeah, sqrt. Oh, sorry. Sqrt x squared minus 4. And just double check. -3. So yeah, this is what our function looks like. As you can see, no, I'm gonna like zoom out. The function is really just never gonna get to 2 or -2. It's an asymptote. So it'll approach 2 for eternity, but it'll never reach there. So yeah, that's what the function should look like. But as you can see, from -2 to 2, the function doesn't exist there, so it shouldn't be included in the domain. I just got flashed in my Discord. Haha. So yeah. Oh, didn't mean to do that on my highlighter. xe curly bracket -infinity comma -2 curved bracket. I think I said curly bracket earlier. It's curved bracket. It's a curved bracket because it doesn't equal 2, right? Because x can't equal 0. So x can't equal whatever is on the x-intercept. So that's -2, right? And then u for union, round bracket, 2 bracket, infinity. So yeah, those are all the questions. This is just a revised version of the last video. These questions are ass, and I hate this course. So yeah, see you guys.